Next, let us learn about the types of the forest. See, the area under the forest in India has been decreasing as we cut down trees to claim land for cultivation. Less than one-fifth of the land in India is presently covered with forests. Okay, there are five main types of forests in India. The types of forests are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny and scrub forest, mountain forest, and mangrove forest. Okay, see that area under the forest in India has been nowadays that forest area is decreasing because that people are cutting the trees for the trees and that they are using the land for the cultivation. By cutting the trees, they are using the land for cultivation. Okay, less than one fourth of the land in India is covered with forest. There are mainly five types of forest. They are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny and mountain forest, thorny forest, mountain forest, and mangrove forest. Let us learn one by one. Okay. Evergreen forests, also called tropical rainforests, are mostly found in warm and wet regions with plenty of rainfall. In India, they are found on the rainy slopes of the Western Ghats, the hills of northeast India, and in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Evergreen forests lose their leaves continuously and not at all once. Now, new leaves replace the leaves that becomes old and fall. So tree in these forests remain green throughout the year. The trees in these forests are tall. The height of some trees may be more than 50 meters. They are dense. Sometimes it becomes difficult to the sun rays to reach the ground if these leaves form a canopy at the top. The main trees of these forests are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, and rubber. These forests have a thick undergrowth of bushes and plants. Okay, children, see that evergreen forest. Evergreen forest, also known as tropical rainforest, which is mostly found in the warm and wet region. Okay, that wherever that plenty of rainfall. In India, that these types of forests we can found in the rainy slopes of Western Ghats, okay, the hills of northeast India, and in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. That evergreen forest, no, they lose their leaves continuously and not at once, and whenever that leaves fall, no, that in that place that new leaves and place is covered by new leaves. Okay, so that these trees are called as evergreen forest. So these trees in this region, no, remains green, so that these forests are called as evergreen forests. Okay, the trees in these forests are very tall, and height of this tree is maybe more than 50 meter. In this region, the height of the tree is more than 50 meter. Okay, and these forests are dense. Okay, sometimes, no, that sun rays also won't reach to the ground because of the canopy formed by the trees. Canopy means like roof. Because of that canopy, that sun rays cannot reach the ground also. The main trees found in this region are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, and rubber. These forests have a thick underground bushes and plants that in this forest we can find the bushes and plants also. Okay, next let us move to the next type of forest, that is deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are also called monsoon forests. The trees found in deciduous forests shed their leaves once a year in the dry season. They are usually found along the foothills of the Himalayan mountain and in the wetter parts of the southern plateaus. In India, they cover more area than the evergreen forest. Teak, sal are the main trees found in these forests. Other trees common here are shisham, sandalwood, mahua, Samal and bamboo. Okay. See that deciduous forest, no, that deciduous forests are also called as monsoon forests. These are deciduous forests also called as monsoon forests. Okay, these deciduous forests, no, they shed their leaves once in a year in the dry season. Okay, now we can find these deciduous forests along the foothills of Himalayan mountain. Okay, and that in the wetter parts of the southern plateau. Okay, in India they cover more than the evergreen forests. That these deciduous forests are more than the evergreen forests. Which are the trees we can see in these deciduous forests? Name of the trees we can find in this deciduous forest are teak, sal. Okay, these are the main trees in the deciduous forest, and other trees here are shisham, sandalwood, maha, samal, and bamboo. Okay, these are the other trees also we can find in this region.